Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and in today's video we'll be discussing the fifth puzzle in this series. There are three prisoners in a remote prison. The guards decide to give each of them a chance to be released from the jail. Guards brought five hats with them, three black and two white. These hats were shown to three prisoners. Now, three prisoners were made to sit one after the other such that the third prisoner can see both the prisoners in front of him. Second prisoner can see only the first prisoner, while the first prisoner can only see the prison wall. The guards blindfold the prisoners and place the hat on each of the prisoner's head. Guards then tell the prisoners that whosoever tells the color of his hat correctly will be released, while a wrong answer will lead to the execution of that particular prisoner. After removing the blindfolds, the following conversation took place. Guard to third prisoner. What is the color of your hat? Third prisoner. I don't know. Guard to second prisoner. What is the color of your hat? Second prisoner. I don't know. Guard to first prisoner. What is the color of your hat? The first prisoner says, my hat is of this particular color. The first person was immediately released by the guard. What was the color of his hat? Now, before I start explaining, I'll recommend you guys to pause the video for a few minutes and then try to solve it on your own. Now that you have tried to solve it on your own, I'll first of all elaborate the question for those who could not understand the question. See, out of the three prisoners, third can obviously, the one at the end, can obviously see the color of hats of the next two people. The one in the middle can only see the color of the hat of the first person. And the first person cannot see any of the hats. But the biggest advantage that the first prisoner has is he can listen to the answers of both the previous prisoners. Second can listen only to the answer of the first prisoner because second can only listen to the answer of the third prisoner, the one standing at the end. Because third prisoner was asked the question first, then the answer question was asked to second prisoner and then to the third prisoner. Now, what I'll do is I'll draw these prisoners. Let us say they were standing on this pedestal. So these are the hats. This is just the outline. We obviously don't know the colors. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let us forget about the questions and the answers to each of the prisoners. The third prisoner could have seen one of the following cases. Either he could have seen both the caps black, one of the caps black and one of the caps white, or both the caps white. These were the four possibilities which the third prisoner could have seen. In the starting, there were three black caps and two white caps. There are exactly two white caps. Just think for a minute that had the third prisoner seen both the white caps, he would have been directly said that he is wearing a black cap. But he said, I don't know which color hat am I wearing. Which means this makes clear that this case has to be eliminated. In any of these three cases written above, the third person would not have been sure of the color of his hat. You can check. Let us say second and first both would have been wearing a black cap. Then the third person could have been wearing any of the caps, black or white. Same is the case with black and white and black. So we can just rule out this. Now, we just understood that the third person, whatever answer the third person has given, the second person can also hear that particular answer clearly. Now, यहां पे अब हमको देखना होगा कि third person knows that both of them are not wearing white caps. Both of them together. One of them could be wearing. Now, when the third person said, I don't know, this very thing would have been clear to the second person also, that at least one of the first and second is wearing black. This person must have got to know that at least one of them is wearing a black cap. Now, which means these three cases are applicable. This thing is known to second person also. Now suppose, had he seen a white cap at the head of the first person, had the second person seen a white cap at the head of the first person, he would have immediately got to know that the second person himself must be wearing a black hat, because from the third person's response it is clear that not both of them together can be wearing white. So this was the reason that the second person did not see this was the reason that the second person could not answer his question, because the first person was not wearing a white hat. This means first person was necessarily wearing a black hat. Now, because from third person's answer, second could judge. So from both of these answers, the first person could also interpret that he is wearing a black hat. Now, we definitely know for sure that he is wearing black hat, but we do not know which color's hat these two are wearing. So the answer to this question is black. I suppose this is clear to everyone. In case you guys have a doubt, feel free to ask either in the YouTube comments, Facebook, or on Telegram channel. Also, I would like to add one more thing, that if you want a particular type of puzzle to be included, or whichever way you want to move ahead, whichever type of puzzles you want to get included in these series, please let me know. I'll include those type of puzzles. So, thank you everyone. Take care.